Hi Glow fam. Welcome back to Glowifybites. If you've been searching for the ultimate skincare superfood, you're in for a treat today. I'm about to share the secret ingredient that can transform your skin, and it's none other than chia seeds. Packed with nutrients, chia seeds are a game changer for anyone looking to achieve glowing, radiant skin. Get ready to dive into the amazing benefits of chia seeds and how you can use them to enhance your skincare routine, inside and out. Let's get glowing. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another glow-worthy video from Glowifybites. And if you're as excited as I am, give this video a big thumbs up. Let's jump in. 1. What are chia seeds? Chia seeds may be tiny, but don't let their size fool you. These little powerhouses are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Originally grown in Central America, chia seeds have been used for centuries as a source of energy and nutrition. But here's the best part: they're not just good for your health, they're amazing for your skin too. Whether you eat them or use them topically, chia seeds are a must-have in your skincare arsenal. 2. Nutritional powerhouse for skin. So, why are chia seeds so great for your skin? Let's break it down. Omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help to maintain your skin's moisture barrier, keeping it hydrated and soft. Antioxidants. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants that fight free radicals, reducing signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. Zinc. This mineral helps to fight acne and promotes skin healing. Vitamin E. A skin-loving nutrient that enhances glow and repairs damage. Fiber. It detoxifies your body, clearing toxins that can lead to dull or acne-prone skin. When you add chia seeds to your diet or skincare routine, you're giving your skin the nutrients it needs to stay radiant and healthy. 3. Eating chia seeds for glowing skin. One of the easiest ways to incorporate chia seeds into your routine is by eating them. Here are a few delicious ways to enjoy chia seeds for glowing skin. Chia pudding. Mix chia seeds with your favorite plant-based milk, add a touch of honey, and let it sit overnight. Top with fresh fruits for a glow-boosting breakfast. Smoothies. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds to your morning smoothie for an extra boost of nutrients. Infused water. Soak chia seeds in water with a splash of lemon for a refreshing detox drink. These recipes not only taste great but also work wonders for your skin from within. 4. Chia seeds in skincare. Topical benefits. Did you know chia seeds can be used directly on your skin? Yep, they're not just for eating. Thanks to their hydrating and soothing properties, chia seeds can be turned into DIY face masks, scrubs, and serums. When applied topically, chia seeds help to lock in moisture, leaving your skin plump and hydrated. Soothe irritation and redness. Gently exfoliate, giving you a smoother, brighter complexion. Let me show you some easy DIY recipes you can make at home. 5. DIY chia seed face mask recipe. Here's a simple face mask recipe using chia seeds that will leave your skin glowing. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of honey. Steps: mix the chia seeds with aloe vera gel and honey in a small bowl. Let the mixture sit for 5–10 minutes until the chia seeds form a gel-like texture. Apply the mask evenly to your face and neck. Leave it on for 15–20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. This mask is perfect for hydrating your skin, calming inflammation, and giving you an instant glow. 6. DIY chia seed scrub recipe. If you're looking to exfoliate your skin gently, this chia seed scrub is for you. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Steps: combine all the ingredients in a bowl. Massage the scrub onto your face in gentle, circular motions. Rinse off with warm water and pat your skin dry. This scrub removes dead skin cells and reveals fresh, glowing skin underneath. 7. Drinking chia water for detox and glow. Another simple way to use chia seeds is by making chia water. Here's how. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 glass of water, a squeeze of lemon juice. Mix the chia seeds in water and let them sit for 5–10 minutes. Add lemon juice for flavor and drink it on an empty stomach every morning. This detox drink helps flush out toxins, hydrates your skin, and boosts your glow from the inside out. 8. Benefits of regular use. Now, let's talk about the results you can expect with regular use of chia seeds. Whether you're eating them, drinking chia water, or using them topically, here's what you'll notice. Hydrated skin. No more dryness or flakiness. Reduced acne. Clearer skin thanks to their anti-inflammatory properties. Youthful glow. Fewer wrinkles and a more radiant complexion. Improved texture. Smoother, softer skin that feels amazing to touch. Consistency is key, so make chia seeds a regular part of your skincare routine. 9. Pro tips for maximizing benefits. Here are a few extra tips to get the most out of chia seeds. Always soak chia seeds before eating to avoid digestion issues. Use organic chia seeds for the best results. Combine chia seeds with other skin-loving foods like avocado, berries, and spinach for a supercharged glow. Apply chia seed masks or scrubs 1–2 times a week for best results. 10. Winter skin care with chia seeds. Chia seeds are especially great for winter when your skin needs extra hydration. The omega-3 fatty acids help strengthen your skin's barrier, protecting it from cold winds and dry indoor air. Pair chia seeds with a good moisturizer, and you're all set for the season. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about using chia seeds for glowing skin. From DIY recipes to healthy drinks, chia seeds are a true skincare hero. If you try any of these tips, let me know in the comments how they worked for you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Glowifybites for more amazing beauty tips and DIY recipes. Until next time, stay glowing and take care of your beautiful skin.